Hey guys, okay, today I am reviewing these squishies. Um, there comes, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in a pack, and I'm just gonna divide these up between the kids, but I took one out of the package. This is the pig, and these are really cool. They're just squishies that are, really popular now. These I think are gonna be great stocking stuffers. They are really squishy. They don't leave no kind of residue on your fingers or anything like that. But this is the little pig. And they also have a duck, like a little fat duck. They have, what is this one? This one looks like another little pig. Another little pig, but it's like a white one. This one is a mouse, it looks like. This one's like a little panda. And your kids would love opening these in their stockings. Um, this one's a cat, and they're so squishy, and even I like them. I think they'll be good for people with like anxiety and stuff like that. This is a seal, and this last one is a fat bunny. So yeah, that is the animals that come in it. Like I said, 8 come in a pack. I just opened one to show you what they look like, but I think they're really cool, and my kids are going to absolutely love them. So I will leave a link below where you could purchase them, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!